Negatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wa kiheotv kunyitanira na ithuĩ umuthi ari muthenya wa Friday. Negatho cia mwanya tariki 12 naguo mweri ni wa gathathanwa gitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya cikwetagwo Vivian Wagici ni maingi marikite kuhanika muthenya wa umuthi kuria igongona ria kiririkano kia arutwo a utumishi girls aria makiheire thutha wa nyumba ya torokumundio mwaki kuria kurakirikana ati ngerenwa ya fanirio ni arutwo arunao kenda kiririkano kiu gikuhanikaga muthenya wa umuthi na ningi oho ruhonge rwa NTSA rwaikanjira marua baadhi cia ukui wa muingi nio niko thutha wa murutwo wa KMTC ukorati ni agikuire akuwetwo ni baadhi ukirikana aikirio akumana na kwaga fare kana tigiti wa shiringi 20 ni gatho ngunyite ugeni na riu twambiririe mohoro maitu kuria kiama kia ODM githiete na mbere na kuha muingi na oho niguo kiama giki kigie na hinya ona makiria na makiaria mari mwena wa Elgeyo Marakwet matongoretio ni mwikarĩrĩgĩti wa kiama giki kia ODM kaunti-inĩ ino John Chebi maugite marenda kiama giki gicangarare makiria githurano-inĩ kia mwaka wa 2027.
Leo tumekutana hapa kwa mpango ya chama. Najua 2027 inakaribia na watu wanatafuta mahali watasimamia. So kwa hii leo tumekuwa na bahati, tuko na candidate wetu moja ambaye amekuja chama, anataka kusimama na sisi, na yeye ni candidate wa Senate na yeye anaitwa Mr. Cheboy. So mimi nakaribisha yeye kwa chama, tunakaribisha yeye kwa chama aendelee kutafuta kura. Sisi tuko na mkakati. Unajua sasa sisi, unajua ODM tu peke yake ndio iko na tunasema nini? Kutoka polling station. We have officials kutoka polling station mpaka county. So at least huyu candidate wetu akishika hawa kutoka huko chini, hamjua hiyo kura tutaipata. And you see our people at the solution. Hawa wanasema sasa afadhali hata tuchanganye watu, tupate watu wengine wapya. Kama sasa huyu ni mpya, yeye ni mpya, nafikiri ataleta new things. Sasa bole hatutaki kurudisha kufanya nini? No. Hiyo wakati sasa imepita.
Wenyeji wa Elgeyo Marakwet County kwamba raundi hii tuko chama cha ODM. Tuko kitu inaitwa tumetoka kwa inbreeding tuko cross breeding. Na kwa heshima ya Raila Amolo Odinga, kwa niaba ya wananchi viongozi wenye walipeleka msaada wakati wa mashishi yake, zawadi kuu yenye tunampatia the spirit of Raila Amolo Odinga ni kupea chama cha ODM as a senator in Uganda. Nataka ku ensure that the people they enjoy the fruit of devolution through accountability, transparency and equitable sharing of resources. Naamini chama kupitia viongozi na pia hii chama imekuwa tangu na sisi wote kama wana Elgeyo Marakwet County mwaka wa 2005 sisi wote tulikuwa wanachungwa, na raundi hii tunasema watu wakule machungwa, chungwa inaleta happy. First plans I've done is to engage with the young generation that the future is for them through groups, through tournaments ya bull, and specifically engaging them one-on-one, especially the barabara riders which are very serious.
Na tugithina mbere ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombatha ni yambite kambeni ya gutigirira muingi wa mwena ni wagunika na taito cia migunda kuria ateti moritio gutiga kuingirira ngucanio cia migunda. Kambeni no irongoreire muingi wa Gugombe mwena wa Makirunge kuria ru aikari makoretwo magiikara na guoya kwaga kuona ati maga gutunyithukithio kiria kiri kiao.
Mungu turehemu. Siku moja na sisi tukumbukwe. Siku moja na sisi tupate total deed zetu. Siku moja na sisi tuishi kama wengine venye wanaishi kule Kisauni. Kwani wale wanaishi kule na sisi ni wakina nani? Wale wanaishi na magari na sisi tunaishi tukitembea na miguu. Pumzi si ni moja. Huyu Mungu tunayemwomba si ni mmoja. Kwa nini sisi wasitukumbuke na total deed? Kwa nini sisi wasituajalie na sisi stima? Watu sisi hata leo tunatumia sola vitavyo, watu wanahumira vitavyo mkopo. lakini tumeyakubali yale tukijua siku ipo Mungu atatukumbuka.
Tuacheni na hawa wazee wetu, tukakae chini kwa muda mfupi ambao tutawaambia, watawasiliana na waziri, watapewa majibu. Tumeomba wiki 2 tuishi kwa amani kwa hizi wiki 2 hadi tutakapokutana tena hapa.
Wale ambao mnawaamini katika wamama, vijana, wazee, wawe kwenye hiyo kamati, wao ndo watakuwa wawakilishi, tukiweza kusonga mbele tukifanya haya miradi na hizi title deeds ziweze kutolewa. So wasia wangu mkuu, jihadharini na wanasiasa wanaochukua advantage. Kitu kidogo watakifanya ni kikubwa, kilete mtafaruku. Watu sasa wajua huko sijui Gung'ombe, watu huko wakifika watakatwa mapanga, sijui watapigwa sijui nini, lakini sivyo, si watu wankaa hapa wazungumza. So tusiachukulie mambo mengine kisiasa. Mambo mengine ni maisha ya wananchi, especially mambo ya hati miliki. Tusiweze kuingiza siasa kabisa kwenye hii mambo ya hati miliki. Viongozi hubadilika. Hauwezi jua atakayekuja atakuja na maono gani na nia gani. So nawaambia tusifanye ajizi kwenye hili jambo. Tuweze kukaa kwa haraka, tufanye maamuzi ili watu waweze kufaidika.
Mungu, Mungu wa Shadrach, Meshach na Abednego, tukakuone mahali hapa. Bwana Yesu,
tunataka kuongea. Hapo nafasi.
Na family iriri na ciana na andu agima mari na mawathe makoragwo na nditi nene muno kuramata endwa ao na aria matari na uhoti wa guthii na maguru mamakua na ngongo kumatwara handu hamwe nginyagia hari hangi. Na niguo kumaura murigo uyu gikundi gia Cheer the Love Foundation na University wa Eastern Africa Baraton ni mahete andu mari na mawathe wheelchairs mwena wa Githumo.
Cheer the Love is an initiative that has come through the University of Eastern Africa, Baraton. And it began with a simple trip that I made to the United States of America to visit one of my daughters, who introduced me to the founder of Cheer the Love, that is Glenn Martha. And at first it looked like it would be a heavy process getting wheelchairs from abroad. But when we explored and I came back and shared with the Vice Chancellor of the University of Eastern Africa, then Professor Mayo, we saw that we could engage the counties, we could engage the government to help in waiving the importation fee. And from 2023, Cheer the Love has been coming not just to Kenya, but has also extended to the neighboring countries, Uganda and Tanzania.
This group of God-loving people from the US partnering with us have been doing this for several years now. On their own, they go out of their way to look for means and ways of supporting the vulnerable people who are not privileged to stand on their 2 feet like you and I. And they bring this to us for free, and our role has been to find the needy all over the country. Everyone, not Adventist, any person in need becomes a beneficiary of this. These people are born like that. They're not responsible for their situation. But because of the stigma that parents experience, some parents may feel, what did I do to have a child like this? I've just held a child who is over 14 years, and I asked the mother, and the mother says the child has never spoken. And the child is now in a teenage. And then they hide these kids because of fear of being asked, like, what did you do? If you remember the Bible, they asked Jesus, what sin did this fellow do that he was born, this way? And Christ answered, it was not his own sin. So we want our society, the Kenyan society, do not hide people who are suffering. It's not your responsibility. You are not responsible for the suffering of your child.
It's been hard moving up and down. It's not been easy because he stays kind of bedridden, or maybe we lay him on the seats. Yeah, so because of age, and he's also growing, and you can see he's a very tall boy, so holding him has been a problem. But now with the wheelchair for mobility, we just thank God. I think hiding these kids is the worst thing they can ever do, because they're kids like any other. We call them able differently. We should not hide them. Actually, they should feel like others. Hiding them even stigmatize them more. So I'll advise all mothers to treat these kids, or even if they are grown, they should be treated like any other person.
Nĩngatho na hau twakinya njĩtĩkĩrie tũkorwo tũgĩkĩria oro hanini ndũgathiĩ haraya amu nĩ tũracokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukuwa indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials aya cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels, na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10. Ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ. Ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici-inĩ citũ Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Irikana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginya thaa 5 cia ũtukũ. Wanake waku ndũkaiywo tondũ thũ cia wone nyingĩ ĩtiendaga kagaya muoyo. Mũirĩtu waku ndũkaiywo tondũ thũ cia wone nyingĩ ĩtiendaga kagaya muoyo.
Ria Juma ya kinya tukauranira thini wa wati wa mbeũ njĩthĩ. Haha tugakorwo tukiarĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa maratuhutia ithuĩ ta mbeũ njĩthĩ, marĩa mega tugakorwo tukihĩmbĩria, namo marĩa moru tugakorwo tukirunga.
Enjoy your youth, but don't forget you'll be judged by what you did when you are enjoying your youth. By the way, ona gokiugo kiugite
ngakurgereria kirungo kia mbere nikio the talk table. Haha ngakorwo ngikunengereria kiugo kia mwathani ndumwe na ndereti mwaki ya muthenya.
Let me tell you, the word says mwathani ni koragwo hakuhi na aria ngoro ciao cinamĩte na ni akoragwo akimahe kirigiriro kieru.
Ngakunengereria kirungo gia kere nikio the freestyle arena we waciamaki
ngenaga ni uria ndaimereire gwaku muthenya uria ndatururire werũ-inĩ nĩnjũĩ njĩra no ĩtware mũndũ
nawe wacia kĩrĩu.
Baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality. Baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality.
Nitanagira na ni Joyce Wajiko wa Mwangi, the smiling ambassador. O Juma cia thaa kenda nginya thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ Kiheo TV, kũrĩa tugaga nĩkĩo kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Reke tũgĩe karibu.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twarĩkia gũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya budget Samuel Atandi nĩ ateteire mũbango wa thirikari wa kuoya ngombo, akiuga nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kũrĩ mũingĩ handũ wa ruma. Na Atandi nĩ okĩrĩire mũng'ethanĩro ũrĩa ũratheca thirikari mũkuha na kuga ũroya ngombo na ningĩ twahota gwĩkora haceke.
I want to say that many people, or a few people from the opposition, have criticized my budget, claiming that the borrowing component of the budget is huge. They are saying that Kenya has borrowed previously and that we cannot continue to borrow anymore. I want to tell them that borrowing is going to continue. We are going to continue to borrow because there's a problem that we must resolve. If you were borrowed in the past, you borrowed to develop your region. You did not develop my region. So when I'm in office, I must borrow to develop my region. So the issue of sharing public debt is an issue that I must bring to the table this moment. that Kenya is going to continue to borrow because there are so many parts of the country that have never benefited from the previous borrowing. And now that we are in office, we must resource all the money that we can get from all sources, including public debt, to ensure that we also bring development. We need equity in sharing of public debt. And that's why I want to tell our people that don't fear. We are going to continue to borrow because borrowing is what we are going to use to develop our country. This part of Kenya, Nyanza and Western region, if you walk here and if you look at the government books, you will never see a project that has been funded by previous borrowing. And therefore, if I am in office as chairman of budget, I must borrow so that I can fund projects in other regions that were neglected by previous regimes.
Nao aikari a Nyali Bay kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ni matafanite mururungano wa thayo makioya kurekererio kwa mubiraru muhuruku wira niwe David Mugei uria ukoretwo rumwathe kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe no bodi yake irakanjwo. Matongoretio ni muthuri Philip Kipchumba maugite matirake ni uria shira wa David uratwarithio na mbere kuria moretie muciritharia munene Martha Koome kumateithiriria.
Jambo ambalo ametuleta hapa ni kwamba mzee Muigai David alishikwa na ako rumandi, na siku ya leo tukiwa watu wa Nyali Bay tunasema Muigai aajiliwe akuje nyumbani. Yeye ni mzee wa heshima, mzee ambaye tumekaa pamoja tangu 1995 alipokuja shamba hili. Hatuna shida na mzee wa Muigai na tunasema Muigai akuje nyumbani. Ya pili, tumesikia kwamba ati kuna death certificate. Tunashangaa alikataliwa akuje kwa shamba lake kama amekufa ama anabona. Na sisi tunasema Muigai anabona.
Muigai alishikwa hapa na bibi yake na hatukujua ni makosa gani. Lakini kusema alikufa sijui eti nini, hiyo hatujui. Na Muigai si threat kwa sisi. Muigai ni mtu wetu, tunampenda, tukiwa na masherehe tuko wote. Tunafanya kazi pamoja wote. Sijui kwa nini amesema amekuwa threat kwa watu. Hiyo ndio sababu tuko hapa leo. Tunataka haki ya Muigai. Sisi watu wa Nyali Bay tunataka haki ya nani? Muigai aachiliwe.
Yeye ni veteran. Amekuwa kwa army mpaka ameretire, na pia akaenda mpaka Afghanistan na ameserve global society. Mtu mzuri sana. We are shocked kwamba yeye ako kwa cell and he has served this country with dignity. We appeal to Chief Justice. We appeal to the President. This is not a serious, it is not a simple matter. This is a serious matter that touches on the fabric of our society. How can somebody who has served the country with its distinction be put to cell and that he is dead? How on earth can somebody be dead and now he's in a cell? We are appealing that we need justice in our courts. We need justice in our courts. We need justice in our courts.
Tumekuja kama watu wengi hao wote tukisema kwamba Muigai apate haki yake. Kama koti ya Eldoret kuna jambo ambaye ya siri kwa magistrate ama mtu yeyote ambaye ameshikilia hii mambo, tunaomba kama familia, tafadhali msiingilie, msibebe laana ambayo si yenu. Msiunge mkono yule ambaye anataka kuchukua laana yake mwenyewe, muingilie. Tafadhali wacha Muigai aache nyumbani afanye kazi yake. Kama itakuwa vigumu, tunaomba Chief Justice ama yule wale wa Nairobi juu waingilie kati, ama viongozi wetu waingilie kati, ndugu wetu waingilie. Murkomen, mahali uliko, serikali hata Ruto mwenyewe, viongozi wetu wote, hata DK, tafadhali muingilie kati hii mambo. Ndugu wetu Muigai aje nyumbani, awache kuteseka, asikufe pale cell, ili asikufe pale cell, bali awachiliwe huru akuja afanye kazi yake. Justice kwa Muigai. Justice kwa Muigai.
Muigai amekuwa mtu wetu tangia 95 mpaka wa sasa. Tumefanya rampe ya watoto pamoja na huyo mzee. Maharusi zote tunafanya na yeye. Yeye hajakuwa mtu threat vile inasemwa. Yeye ni mtu mwema. kati ya wazee wenye wako shamba hii ya Nyalilbei. So hii mambo imetokea kwamba amekufa ni threat, hiyo ni propaganda ya mtu. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali kuomba Muigai ajiliwe, tunaomba na apate justice yake, arudi awe mzee kwa shamba yake kama wazee wengine, na sisi sote tuendelee kwa maisha ya sasa.
Na Muigai ameshikwa bure, Muigai ameteswa bure na ameishi nji kwa miaka mingi karibu 30. Tumekaa wote kwa hiyo miaka yote bila makosa yoyote. Hana chuki na mtu, hana shida na mtu, hajafanyia mtu makosa yote. Ndio tumeshinda kwa nini ako ndani? Kwa nini anasumbuliwa? Angekuwa saa hii ako kwa shamba yake anafanya.
Nĩ ngatho cia mwanya nĩ ũnyitanĩri waku kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie na thaa ici ũguo tũrekĩra gaturumo, na nĩ ngatho kũrĩ arĩa matigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ maukinya na njĩra igwete. Mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Vivian wa Gĩcii, njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru, arĩ kamwe na Ngai mũroko ũgitĩra ũtukũ wa ũmũthĩ ũrokomata kana nĩ ngwendete, onake Ngai aikwenda ona makĩria thiĩ na mbere na gũcagũra Kiheo TV.